When you think of baby proofing, you probably picture outlet covers and cabinet locks. But have you ever thought about the air your baby's breathing? Babies breathe faster than adults, about twice as fast actually. That means they take in more air, and with it, more of whatever's floating around in your home. So if your air quality isn't great, they're the first to feel it. Here are some simple ways to baby-proof your home for cleaner air and safer surfaces. Change your air filters regularly. It keeps dust, pollen, and pet dander from circulating. Skip heavy fragrances. Candles, sprays, and some cleaners release chemicals called VOCs, which can irritate developing lungs. Vacuum often with a HEPA filter if possible. Babies spend a lot of time on the floor, where dust and allergens settle. Check humidity levels. Around 40 to 50% helps prevent mold without making the air too dry for delicate skin. Choose gentle cleansers. Go for mild, fragrance-free options that are baby-safe for both air and surface contact. By focusing on what's in your air and what's on your surfaces, you're creating a healthier environment for your little one to grow, play, and breathe freely. And hey, if you're new here, I'm Miranda, and here on Simply Filters, we aim to educate our community so we can all be our healthiest selves. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button because you deserve it.